Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
What do you want to do today?
Cookies.
Cookies? Huh? I don't know if we're gonna make any cookies.
We'll make what something?
We're gonna make something very interesting.
What?
It's called cloud bread.
Cloud bread?
Yes. Does it sound yummy to you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, I don't know how yummy that's gonna be, but it looks so good that Mommy decided to make it with you. Are you excited?
With gingerbread.
No, we're not gonna use gingerbreads for that. We're gonna use something else.
With bread?
So, we're gonna use for this recipe 3 eggs.
Yeah.
Actually, we're gonna use only the whites. So we have 3 eggs and we're gonna use just the whites. I'm gonna teach you how to separate the white from the yolk. Okay. Then we have 10 grams of cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Yes. And since we don't have any sugar, but Mommy has some stevia, we're gonna use this one. It requires 30 grams of sugar, and we're gonna use 15 grams of stevia. Yeah. So we're gonna start by separating the egg whites from the yolks. We have a huge clean bowl.
Yeah. And the eggs to crack it.
Let me show you. I'm gonna teach you a few ways how you can separate your eggs, okay? So first, you can break your egg, put it inside, like this.
Yes.
And then just use your hand. You can use your hand to get the yolk out. Oh, I hope it's not gonna pop. So this is the first step.
Yeah.
This is how you can do
Put it here.
it. Oh, wait a minute. So I personally don't like this way because it's very messy and you have to wash your hands and stuff like that. So I'm gonna teach you another way. You're breaking your egg, put it in 2 halves, and you just play a little bit like that. This way, this method doesn't require your hands. So you just place one part to another side.
There, that one's too big.
Okay, so which one do you like more?
This one. Can break it?
Oh, wait. Oops. Okay, I think this one is not gonna work this way.
This side.
Now, we have our white. And we're gonna take our mixer. Yes, and we're gonna mix it. We're gonna start by mixing like this. And add a little bit of speed. That's nice. We're gonna take just a little bit like that and put it inside. A little bit at a time, okay? Put the cornstarch inside, like this. Okay. So, like this, in here. Put it all. Is there more?
Empty.
It's empty? Okay. You want to try to make it blue?
I want to try to make it.
Make it blue?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think it looks very good. Looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take it off again. We have baking pan with paper on top. We're gonna use our small spatula and we're gonna place it
This one.
the baking pan, okay?
The baking pan.
baking pan like that. Okay.
That's it. Like a light blue cloud.
It looks like a light blue cloud. Oh, we're not gonna try it yet. We're gonna bake it first.
When
Yeah.
it's hot.
We're gonna bake it and see how it's gonna taste. It's super fluffy. I don't know. I hope it's gonna stay like that. So now we're gonna place it into the oven at 300 Fahrenheit degrees. Okay, Richard. So our cloud bread is almost ready.
It's yellow.
Wow!
It's
It
yellow.
looks so cute.
It's yellow.
Wow!
Turns yellow.
Watch out because it's very hot, okay? So, look how fluffy it is.
Yeah.
I think it's actually cooked very good. We're gonna try this.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put it here.
It looks like a donut.
Looks like a donut to you. Okay. This looks delicious.
Yeah.
Wow, look, it's coming out from our paper. Whoa!
That's the bottom.
We're gonna open it.
Take a big piece.
That's amazing! What do you think?
Yes.
It's amazing, right? Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. You can give it a small bite or you can pick up a piece and tell us what do you think.
Yummy.
Do you think it's yummy? What does it taste like?
Bread.
Does it taste like bread? It's not sweet?
It's sweet.
It's sweet. Okay, let me try this. So I'm gonna take. I don't know if it's cooked properly actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks very weird.
Yeah.
Very cloudy.
Yeah, can you eat it?
So I'm gonna take a piece for myself.